from Akshay, I think what I learned is the dedication. You know, he used to always say, I'm not an actor. And the way he was dedicated, the way he was absolutely, you know, for the work, punctual, 4 o'clock in the morning, so he'll be there at 3:45, you know, that kind of thing. So the dedication from there. From Kamala Hassan, I think, again, a different kind of dedication, you know, so focused. I mean, I remember the first time when I went to Chennai for this film, the first day of shoot, they were shooting. And from the airport, I went straight on set to meet all of them. And then I'm looking for Kamala Hassan. Where is he? I couldn't see him. And he was right there, Chachi, but I didn't recognize him. So I'm standing in front and he's also not saying because he used to be in that AC chamber because of the makeup. And I can see the AC chamber. I can see the transparent curtain. And I thought there's some character there sitting, some lady. And so that was very funny. But then again, he was directing, he was acting, he was managing all of us. That was an amazing learning. So I also thought, मुझे भी एक ही फिल्म करनी है, मुझे कौन सा ज़्यादा करना था. मैं तो एक ही फिल्म करूंगी और वो भी मुझे सलमान खान. I used to go and tell the world in Delhi कि मुझे सलमान खान के साथ पिक्चर मिली है. And so it was just one film. So navigation कहाँ से आएगा, you know, because आपको तो एक करके वापस जाना है.
Right.
और वो करते करते में you sign your second, you sign your third, you sign your fourth. And every time I would say, see, I'm destined to do this. I would tell my mom and dad that ये तो मुझे यही करना है. I told you कि मुझे यही करना है.
And then there came a time where you were doing 10 films in a year.
I was doing, 10, 12 films in a year. So then, of course, everything, you know, became that was it. I was to do this. Wow. So there was no planning. There was no, you know, grooming or no learning, or I just was blocked or thrown into this.